Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V on your PlayStation 5. First, ensure you have the PlayStation 5 version installed. This version is optimized for the console's capabilities. Make sure your console has enough storage space for the game and any updates. Connect your DualSense controller and check for any firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and access to all features. You'll be ready to dive into Los Santos in no time. If you've played Grand Theft Auto V on PlayStation 4, you can easily transfer your progress. Begin by uploading your PlayStation 4 saved data to the Rockstar Games Social Club. Then, on your PlayStation 5, simply log into the same Social Club account within the game. You can then download your saved game data directly into the PlayStation 5 version, picking up right where you left off. Playing Grand Theft Auto V on PlayStation 5 offers a significantly enhanced experience. You'll notice improved graphics, including crisp 4K resolution and realistic ray tracing for better lighting and reflections. Thanks to the PlayStation 5 solid-state drive, loading times are dramatically faster, getting you into the action quicker. Plus, the DualSense controller's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers add a new layer of immersion to your gameplay. Grand Theft Auto Online is a massive, evolving world you can jump into directly from the main menu. You can join friends or other players for a huge variety of activities, from heists and races to business ventures and deathmatches. Rockstar consistently releases new content and updates, ensuring there's always something fresh to explore and enjoy in the dynamic online environment of Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.